OD6 Metals has received initial assay results for Phase 3 drilling at its Splinter Rock Project northeast of Esperance in Western Australia. To discuss those results, Brett Hazelden, the company's Managing Director and CEO, joins me now. Hi Brett, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us, Caroline.
So you've labelled these first results as outstanding. Does that mean they were in line with your expectations?
Yes, they were in line with our expectations. It's also consistent with our maiden mineral resource estimate that we put out a few months back as well for the prop area. So the prop area was well over 1,000 parts per million total rare earth oxides, which is good. Most of the peers that are putting mineral resource estimates out are looking around 800 ppm. Obviously, our mineral resource estimate was 1,308 parts per million. So it all goes well for a large increase in obviously the area that we've got out there as well.
Just on that, how significant are the grades you're seeing at Prop and at the wider Splinter Rock project?
Yeah, for a clay-hosted rare earth show in Australia, we're the highest grade in Australia and also the highest in terms of tonnes as well. So this is significant in terms of globally significant. And the only other clay-hosted rare earth company in the world that I'm aware of that's high grade at the moment is Meteoric in Brazil. So yep, she's significant for Australia and hopefully significant globally. And the important thing as well is the areas that we've touched on is sort of less than 5% of our total clay-hosted rare earth zones that we've identified to date. And the mineral resource estimate was only on about 2 to 4% of that at prop. So we're expecting to put out a reasonably sizable increase in resource over the next couple of quarters.
And you expect to receive the balance of the results from this Phase 3 program over the coming weeks. What is in the company's work pipeline over the next few months and into 2024?
Yeah, so the Phase 3 has that second part at centre, which is our sort of premier spot at Splinter Rock. It sort of grades around 1,400 parts per million trio and above. We're expecting those results again to be at least that, if not higher in those results. So we'll hopefully have all those assay results received from the lab in the next couple of weeks, and that will get out to the market. And then from there, we can obviously do resource upgrades from there. In terms of other things that is in the pipeline, we've got metallurgy results from ANSTO that we're hoping to get out in the next couple of weeks as well, along with obviously what we're doing next in terms of next program, infill programs. We've got environmental surveys happening as we speak on that next infill program. So lots of work coming, lots of news flow.
Now, Brett, Breakware Research published a report on OD6 and priced your shares at 90 cents. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, so they've done some independent research there. They've reviewed, obviously, all the information we put out onto the market, and they've also gone into the nitty-gritty of the market itself, where it all sits, what the grades look like. They've done a bit of investigation into costs, so it's actually valued us quite well. It looks at obviously a big premium to where we're at today. And with any luck, the market, not just the rare earth market and the junior sector market, is starting to bottom out now. So look, we're expecting things to change next quarter, both in the market outlook and hopefully our share price. So we look forward to a bigger improvement and hopefully get close to that 90 cents target soon.
Brett Hazelden, Managing Director and CEO of OD6 Metals. Great to chat with you today.
Thanks for having us.